Hi friends, let's make two recipes using NutroVally's chia seeds. Guys, this is the best chia seeds I've had. They are super fine and super healthy. Every one of us know the health benefits of these chia seeds. So what I've done first is soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of milk and refrigerated it overnight. And the next day morning I've added chopped apples, chopped kiwis and pomegranate. The second recipe calls for, again I have just simply blended all the ingredients in the recipe number 1 and blended it together along with two soaked almonds, and simply placed it in a cup or a bowl and just decorate it with the desired fruits as per your requirement or as per your likings. You can also add pumpkin seeds and other seeds for extra flavor and extra crunch. The only thing, guys, is to consume this cold and fresh with to consume all the health benefits.